Hello guys, welcome back to famous YouTube channel to watch more videos on machine learning. Up till now we have gone through many videos on machine learning such as drowsiness detection using Python, facial emotion recognition using Python. We have seen a lot of facial emotion recognition like angry, fear, sad, happy, disgust and many more. We have also seen eyes blinking using Python. We have also seen uh, removing the unwanted object using Python. We have also gone through like our latest video was facial emotion recognition using TensorFlow, which was very good, and many more videos on machine learning. Today's video is really interesting and innovative. For that, let us go through the Python file. All these statements are the importing the required libraries. Then cascade classifier, this is required to detect the face. Then width and height. Then video capture, we need to start the webcam. Then while loop, which is always true. Then generating frame by frame to capture the mask and unmask. Then models are there. These are face frame, means according to the rectangle, conversion of BGR to RGB, gray cell to RGB. Then models, in that label, color, and in that no mask is there, that will be seen on the webcam. And the saved frame, then exit, queue to exit, then release the webcam, stop the recording and close all the window. Now I will execute the program. Yes. No mask is detected now. Now I will simply keep here mask. It will tell no mask. Okay. Yes, mask is detected. Yes, mask is detected. Yes. So we have successfully done with mask detection using Python. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends if you find it interesting. Thank you very much for watching this video patiently. Thank you.